Biodiversity. Biodiversity identifies the variety of life forms within a specific geographic region, specifically the variability among living organisms, the variability within and between species, and within and between ecosystems. Biodiversity preservation is taking on a greater importance, even among stakeholders involved in economic fields. For this purpose, IMI Fabi SPA is committed to promoting a code of practice consistent with policies of sustainable development and supporting several programs aimed at biodiversity preservation over the territory. The project intends to safeguard some rare species and highlight the most important aspects of vegetation and local morphology near Brusada Ponticelli mine that has recently been completed. The Biodiversity Restoration Plan listed setting up a nature trail, a field laboratory for science observation, and an experimental site for testing the most suitable restoration techniques. During summer of 2009, a detailed phytosociology survey led to the choice of 4 interesting species: Armeria alpina, Carex bicolora, Saxifraga rotundifolia, and Sanguisorba dodecandra. The seeds of these species have been gathered on the spot and sent to a specialized laboratory in order to be cultivated. After germination, the obtained seedlings have been placed in a nursery for genetic heritage conservation, placed near Brusada Ponticelli mine, and afterwards transferred to the natural environment within this area. In 2011, the project has been extended and adapted to Samatta mine, through the planning and accomplishment of an educational trail. This educational trail has been set along an expansion of water situated near the mine, in a transition area between the mining activities and the natural ecosystem. A careful analysis of environmental aspects and of flora and wildlife has allowed distinction of individual forms from others of the same species or groups, specifically in the identification of the most widespread, indigenous but rare species. Informational panels have then been designed and positioned along the trail to describe the main characteristics of this habitat and point out the natural resources of the area. At IMI Fabi, the intent is to make the community aware of the vast biodiversity around them, now and for the future.